Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, for my old time subscribers and my new ones. Thank you very much. I love you guys. So in today's video, we are going to make chinchin, Nigerian chinchin. So guys, let me introduce to you what I'm going to use in making my chinchin, Nigerian yummy chinchin. So here is my sugar, my butter. I'm going to use liquid milk. I'm going to use this milk. Here is my groundnut oil to fry the chinchin, and here is my all-purpose flour. Here is my nutmeg. Here is my baking powder, and here is my salt. So guys, without wasting time, let's begin in mixing. And this is my bowl that I'm going to use in mixing my flour and water, but there's no water here. I'm going to use milk, this liquid milk. Okay guys, let's begin. So I'm going to wash my hand as usual. So I've washed my hand. So I'll start. I've raised my mixing bowl. So I will start with the flour. And sugar. The nutmeg and the baking powder and the salt, but I'm not going to use all of the salt. I'm just going to use a pinch of it. So that is it. I'm going to pour it together and mix it together. So mix it together so very well. You mix it very well. Make sure everything is well mixed. So I've mixed it very well. Now is to add our butter. So I'll be adding it bit by bit. Bit by bit. Make sure you mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well. Mix and mix. So mix it. Keep on mixing it. So now I'm going to add our milk. And mix. As you're adding it, you're checking it. Don't add much so that the dough will not be too watery. Add. You can add water. You can use powder milk and add water. You can use milk, any one of your choice. You see? So mix it very well. I want to add more water, more milk, sorry. To get the perfect dough. This is our dough. Not too strong, not too soft. See it, talking it. Perfect. So now we are going to cover it for some time. And we'll be back. So now it's out. You just give it a bit massage. So now we are going to cut it. I forgot to introduce this. You need this to roll it. A little bit of flour. Start cutting. If you have chinchin cutter, you can use. I'm using my knife in cutting it. The size you want, it to be. Guys, pardon my left hand. Is easy for me than my right. So you cut it like this. The shape you want it to be. When you put it in the oil, it will separate itself. My daughter is in my back. I said my backer is in my back. My daughter is in my back. We are going to on the gas and heat the pot before adding the groundnut oil. Let me on the gas now. So let's allow it to heat proper and we'll add the groundnut oil. So now we are going to add our oil.
Mommy, Daddy, I'm okay. Mommy.
Our oil to heat for some time also. So now we are going to check the oil, if the oil is well hot. Okay, so now this is our cut chinchin. Please pardon the noise, my daughter. So I've added our chinchin. Separate it so that it will not gum or stick together. The second one, after I will show you guys all of it. Stir. So guys, I will also introduce to you, this is the results. See, our chinchin is ready.